pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall, then we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, I'm Karen. It is really nice to meet you. I hope that you will put your favorite color and say hello down in the comments below. And if you're returning, you guys know I love you so very much. Welcome back, and I'm glad you're here with me. I have Boxycharm Premium, and you know what? I'm like having a bad day. I mean, I heard somebody outside, and it was FedEx, and they put this on my driveway at the end. Instead of walking up my driveway, walking up the deck and putting it in front of my door, they left it at my driveway. I was like, okay, I don't mind walking, but what? I don't know. I just think that customer service seems to be suffering lately everywhere. Anyhow, this is the $35 a month box. We're going to unbox it and see if it's worth it and what the value is and if there's anything good in here and all that stuff. Oh, okay. Here she is. Let's see what we got. Or let me just move everything here. Like, get out of my way. We got an unboxing. I got my coffee. Do you have your coffee? I would love it. Sit back, relax, chat with me. I would love to get to know you guys. Tell me if you get Boxycharm down in the comments. Okay, Cinnabon coffee. I'm really loving that lately. With cinnamon crunch muffins. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I'll put the variation on the screen. It looks like I don't know what I got. A couple of things. Okay. We have got the card here that tells me a little bit about the products. It's sweet treats. Did you guys get the email that said, open this, we have a treat for you or something like that, and you saw the Natasha Denona palettes and you got all excited only to get your box and then not get one? Yeah. I was like, I hope I get one. I hope I get one. Okay. So the first thing I see, and this was hanging on top, is Nails Ink, London. Feeling vibrations in your ink. Oh, it's supposed to be incredible, but they have a dot in between the C and the R. Crystal Ball Roller Gloss Duo. Okay. $24 value. The glossiest roller ball to date has landed with the crystal roller ball to cool and soothe lip. It's by Nails Ink and it's for your lips. The glassy formulation is infused with crystals to stimulate lip circulation and wake up the chakras. Enriched with nourishing and hydrating properties. $24. Okay, I'm confused. Let me get my scissors. I really don't think I've watched any Boxy Premium. Yeah, I think I've watched a couple, but I don't remember seeing this product. And it's by Nails Ink, but obviously they have more than just nail stuff. So, let me see. These are heavy. Whoa, there is crystals. All right, this is different. This is different. Okay, here we are. Lip things with crystals just in the bottom. Okay. Jackson, please be quiet.
Sorry.
Barely anything comes out. It's a nice scent. It's just a gloss. I'm not impressed. It looks real cute, but what does it do for me? It's supposed to hydrate my lips. Any lip balm will hydrate my lips. Honestly, I don't think that's worth $24. Okay, let's go ahead and put this aside. I'm not seeing the hype around that, but maybe there is something else in here. Okay, I see Dose of Colors. This is probably a lip liner. Let me see. Where are you, Joseph Colors? Yes, lip liner. Creamy, long-wearing lip liner delivers transfer-resistant, high-coverage color with a matte finish. Built-in sharpener included. $14 value. Let's see what color I got. The color from packaging looks pretty. It looks like a nice spring, summery kind of color. Oh, I like this packaging. This is cute. Does it tell me the shade? It's complicated. Okay. There's the tip there. It is pretty. It's very pretty. And it's definitely creamy. And it's got the sharpener on the other end, which is handy. That's neat. Okay. All right, let's see what we got next. Did you guys get that? What's this? I think I saw just Ann unbox it and I was like, what is that? All right. Lux and Willow 4-piece reusable bamboo makeup remover pads. Antimicrobial and hypoallergenic reusable bamboo pads are designed to remove makeup, cleanse, and apply toner while reducing waste for the environment. Use the mesh bag included to machine wash and dry. Okay. This has a value of $20. So you use these for your toner to wash your face. Why isn't it in, oh, there's a knot here. Why is there a knot? I'm guessing you would need the knot if you're going to put it in the washing machine. But I can't get it open without undo. I already broke one nail today. All right, so let's see. I just want to see what they feel like. Oh my goodness, like really? I'm just gonna dig in here and pull out whatever I can. Oh, these look like little cloths, just like a washcloth kind of thing. So these might be handy. That's neat. And you can throw it in the washing machine, obviously. That's what this bag is for. So that's kind of cool. Huh, okay, I like that. That's not bad. All right, what do we have next? I see the Iconic London Sunset to Sunrise eyeshadow palette. All right, speaking my language, $62 value. Ooh, okay. All right, let's open this bad boy up. Here is the packaging. I remember getting an Iconic London palette about 1.5 years ago, but I gave it away since I had so many eyeshadow palettes. Let's see what this baby... Ooh, look at her. She's got a mirror, plastic over it. They've got shade names underneath the colors. I like that. Ooh, there's purple. Ooh, this looks really pretty. Okay, this is like, okay, wait a minute. Let me just show you. You got your purples right here. Then you got your bronzy and coralish kind of colors. This one here has got your, this looks like it's got a pinky tone to it. This is a green tone, a gold, a yellow. And then we've got bronzy colors right here. So there's a bunch of different ones. Let's go ahead and, the pigment looks good. Do some swatches just to see. Okay, let's go into this purple one here. Let's just try them out and see what we got. You know what? Let me do it here. Which one didn't I do? Yeah, I did that one. And I did that one. Okay, it's this one. Okay. What do you think? Not bad. And they feel kind of creamy. So, all right. I'm liking that. It looks like we've got, whoops, I dropped one. 2 products left. Go ahead and get a makeup wipe and wipe this off. It looks like I got a Fenty product. Oh yes, it's the my choice. It was, I think I chose that, right? I'm pretty sure we had a choice. And, well, I know we had a choice. I just don't remember what I chose. Soft matte. Oh, let me see. Let me see what the card says. Natasha Tanono. No, Fenty Beauty. $32. This is a primer. Okay, yeah, I did. I did choose a primer. I remember that now from the spoilers. Very heavy. let's open her up. She is a regular primer. I know that they had like said something specific about this primer. At least the information did. It doesn't say anything specific. It just says primer. Ooh, it looks like a lotion. But it's got a tint to it. And I think that the box said that as well. Soft matte. Yeah. Okay. So, let's see. It feels like a lotion. It don't feel like no primer. It feels like a moisturizer. I need like a matte primer. So that's not going to work for me. But that's okay. Can always try it. Maybe it'll surprise me. Okay, I told you the value of that, right? $32. And what is it that I have left? The Natasha Denona Concealer. Okay. Ooh, I've been looking for a new concealer. Let's see what I got. Okay, here's the packaging there. It's pretty basic. What is the value of this? $28. Okay. Open this up. Ooh. Okay, there it is. That should work for my under eye. And the match is not too bad. Awesome. Let's let that dry down for a minute. Actually, take a sponge and just see what it looks like. It looks like a nice, smooth, powdery finish. Not bad. Okay, let's recap with what I got. I got these. They look pretty. I guess you'd look glamorous pulling that out, right? Okay, then I got the cloths that you can use for washing your face, toner, and then you can put them in this bag and throw them in the washing machine, which is kind of cool. Otherwise, the washing machine would eat it up, I'm sure. I got this really pretty lip liner with the sharpener on the other ends. Then I got the Fenty Pro Filter. I don't know. It's soft matte primer. Then I got the eyeshadow palette, which looks pretty good. I am going to say that. It looks pretty good. And the last thing I got was the Fenty, I'm sorry, I keep saying the wrong thing, the Natasha Denona Concealer. So I will put the value of everything. Look at that. That actually feels really good. So I don't know. I don't know if it's like matte or hydrating, but it definitely looks good. 10 Neutral is the shade. All right, that's what I got. This is not a bad box. I'm not really thrilled with this. But they are cute. So let me tell me what you think about that. Is this something like, do you think they just threw it in there or what? Or is it something you'd be like, oh wow, excited to get? I definitely need to know the answer to that. Put that information down in the comments below. Thank you so much for joining me for this video. I do want your thoughts on everything. So talk to me down in the comments, and I will see you guys really soon in another video. Bye!